Welcome back. I'm the Hidden Gems Wanderer, and here I am in Colebrook, New Hampshire at Beaver Brook Falls. As you can see here, I'm actually on the frozen water. Memorial set here for Joseph Y. Keyser. He donated the land. That was actually a part of his farm. It's pretty icy today. Or at least under the snow. We got like about an inch or two last night. This is actually my first time seeing this up this close in the wintertime. I'm standing over water right now, but I think this is strong enough for me to stand on. I've actually got a few photos from this angle, or around this angle. I can feel the wind from the breeze coming through here. My tracks actually kind of look like deer hooves. You see here, if I actually were to walk on my heels, this is what it would look like. I don't think it's made to look like that, but it just so happens it does, which I find very funny. Alright, let's get this hike going. So a little story for this video is, it's been quite the pain of a day so far. It's all worth it though, it's all worth it. But, okay. I drove all the way here and my SD card was full. Had to go back home. It turns out I actually could have just stayed here, but I had no idea how to format, quote unquote. This is a quote unquote, I don't, you know, my hands are in mittens, but I had to go home and figure out how to format an SD card, whatever that means, which I could have done for my GoPro the entire time, but is what it is. You live and you learn. Why don't you have your GoPro on your chest? Well, when I went home, I took my GoPro off, and the twisty thing that is supposed to hold the GoPro in place, I don't have. So today, it might not be as stable a video because I'm recording with my hands. So I apologize for that. My guess is this was a woman's footsteps. It's just a guess, I don't know. Could be a guy with some small feet. Never know. Oh, it looks like they're walking with their dog maybe too. Huh, this is a really pretty trail. I like how the pine trees, the little pine trees are on the left and right. I hope this loops around back towards the waterfall. For getting equipment is not very great. It appears Nobody has been going up that way, so I will be the first. Nothing wrong with that. All right, here we go. The real hike. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty steep. Man, coming down this is gonna be crazy. Woo! Man, I don't doubt I'm gonna have a couple falls. Oh. This is more of a climb than a hike. All right. Snow's getting deeper. It's good. Never thought that'd be good, but it's good. Oh. No matter how slow I try to move down this, it's still pretty tough. Ooh. See, we're about halfway up. I hope, because I don't think I want to come down this. It's gonna be like sledding, except without a sled. All right, I'll get some selfie footage for a little bit. Oh, you guys can see my struggling emotions while I go up this. Man, I don't even know where to go from here. It's a pretty tough climb. Can't imagine climbing Everest. All right. Probably easier to climb Everest with two hands though, huh? This would be a lot easier if I didn't have this GoPro in my hand. But you know, gotta do it. Gotta do what you gotta do. Oh yeah, this is getting deeper. It's good. I can actually grab onto stuff. Ooh. Okay, we're nearing the top. We're nearing the top. Oh shoot. Oh. Hug this tree while I turn this camera around. I think that's the top over there. It was like rained yesterday or the day before, and I think that's what did all this. All right, it's getting easier. Oh, we made it. Oh, I should have brought a pack so I could drink some water. Wow. It looks beautiful up here. See, there's a house over there in the distance. Out that way. They've got a great view of the falls. Man, I'm still catching my breath. Which way should I go? I want to go this way. It looks mysterious. Sure, I pulled my pants and there's snow up there. That was awesome. I don't know if you guys really can see, but that's about 25 foot drop right there. You guys can't really see it. I'm not gonna risk my life any more than I already have though. But there's the water flowing right here. With my hand. Water flow. Waterfalls drop right there. It looks like somebody wrote their initials in a heart right there. Before I slide down the rest, I'm gonna stop right here and take a little break. Got an egg. Brought a boiled egg on my adventure. Oh, that nice easy peel. Beautiful. I think I undercooked it, but it tastes the same. I feel like it's honestly better. The yolk isn't as chalky. Amazing. Loving this. If you guys have any suggestions on maybe where I could place places you'd like me to check out in New Hampshire, or maybe even in southern Maine, I'm very open to suggestions. Always looking forward to exploring hidden gems. So let me know down in the comments. Down the mountain we go. Sliding. I don't know if I can really slide down much of this, but maybe here in a second I can't. Either way, I guess I'm gonna slide. Whether it's my choice or not. This is so fun. Oh, this is like an extreme sport. Walk through the waves so I don't hit my stump. This feels like a game. I am loving this. All right, last little slide. See if I can get a bunch of speed. Who needs a sled? Whoa. Oh yeah, my shoes are filled. It was worth it though.
It was a bit of a messy start, a few slips, a little snow in the way, but that's kind of the point of getting out here. Being out on the trails, seeing the falls up close, feeling the quiet and the cold, it's one of those moments that sticks with you. You don't need a perfect day to find something beautiful. That's what makes places like this so special, and that's why I keep chasing hidden gems.